Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:44 p.m. and today's 22nd of January 2021. So I'm just hoping that you guys are really doing well, right? I just have one single agenda today to talk about. The market doesn't differentiate between people who have got huge amount of money or less amount of money, or who have good qualification or bad low qualification. It doesn't differentiate at all. Where it differentiate, whether you know about stock market or not, you understand the stock market or not, that's where the differentiation comes. आपको मार्केट में अगर रहना है तो मार्केट के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, राइट? और एक बंदा जो कि जिसके पास 10,000 रुपए है, 5,000 रुपए है, वो भी एक डिसेंट रिटर्न जनरेट कर सकता है। धीरे 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 वो अपनी कैपिटल को इंक्रीज करके 5,000 से 10,000, 10,000 से 20,000 ऊपर लेके जा सकता है। तो एनीवे, आई एम योर होस्ट डॉक्टर सीमा जैन। आई एम अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड रिसर्च एनालिस्ट. I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro and partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Astha Trade. So here, this is my channel, Telegram channel, where we have about 2,78,000 members right now. And this is my Twitter handle where I keep posting, my trades, my research, which, I mean, most of them are pretty good and have been providing good returns. And also you definitely must be present on my Twitter and on my you must be definitely present on my Telegram channel. So what I wanted to share with you people today was that we have traded in Scient, right? Scient was, we bought it at above 1525 and I have given a target of 70 points. If you just have a look at it, this target itself is about 14-15% target, right? And the stock did it went into the upper circuit, right? I have, you can see my positions on the right hand side. So look at the blast that stock had, right? Look at the blast that stock had here. So we entered right here somewhere to 537. Yeah, here, right where this barrier was crossed. This is where we entered, and look where it went from here to here, right? Upper circuit. And that is what you see here. I have made 2,81,000 in just this one stock, right? So when your accuracy is good, you can earn any amount of money. You can free yourself from the 9 to 5 job, the slogging that you need to do. But learning about the market is the most important thing, right? So now, why I'm doing this video, I thought I will give you a little bit of understanding about the stock market, how you can trade. And um, I'm going to be sharing with you one technique, right? It's actually for our members, for our webinar members, but ठीक है, आप लोग भी सीखेंगे, आप लोग भी पैसा बनाएंगे तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. So the technique that I'm going to tell you is called divergence, right? And divergence आप जब भी देखते हो मार्केट में, किस चीज में डाइवर्जेंस होनी चाहिए? प्राइस में और RSI में. तो मैंने RSI लगा रखी है, इसमें वैल्यू का कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? It doesn't matter what value does the RSI have, right? Only thing that we need to look for is a divergence, right? So what is exactly a divergence? Exactly क्या होती है divergence? Price ऊपर ऊपर जाना चाहिए, right? See from here, if I draw a line, price is heading up. And what is happening to the uh, RSI? It is heading in the downward direction, right? So right here, you can mark your support and resistance levels, right? Today, if you have a look at it, आज के दिन अगर आप देखते हैं तो ये LNT है, एंड इस जगह पे आप देखेंगे प्रीवियस डे से इसको जो सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, लेट मी मार्क दैट. आप पिछले दिन से देखो, ये सपोर्ट जोन है इसका, राइट? यहाँ पे आज ये 22, ये कल का है ट्रेड, राइट? दिस इज यस्टरडेज ट्रेड. तो ये धीरे धीरे स्टॉक में डाइवर्जेंस जनरेट हो रही है, राइट? जैसे ही ये सपोर्ट या ये रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक होता है, ये एक सपोर्ट जोन जो है कल बनाया था, राइट, और कल जब दिन के समय करीब 2, साढ़े 2, 2:30 बजे के करीब इसने इस रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करा है, you can short it, right? So this is divergence. Relative strength का मतलब होता है कि strength of the stock, right, by which it is being traded is slowly depleting, right? अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी आंसर चाहिए कि ये क्या चीज है, वो क्या चीज है, just Google it. RSI, and I like Investopedia's explanations. So just go to the and read what is RSI. So the relative strength, or the RSI, is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. The RSI is displayed as the oscillator, a line graph that moves between two extremes and can have a reading between 0 to 100. The indicator was originally developed by whomsoever, whatever, it doesn't make a difference. Traditional interpretation and usage of RSI are that to the value of 70 and above. So see, basically we were interested only in knowing what does it exactly tell you. So it tells you a technique that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to value overbought or oversold. Right now, see, think about it. I'll just explain you in a simple term, and I'll do it in Hindi also, because ये मैं कुछ educate कर रही हूँ, तो लोग जो हिंदी में देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए. प्राइस क्या कर रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, राइट, प्राइस इज मेकिंग हायर हाइस. बट क्या रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ में भी ये हो रहा है? relative strength is making every time a low, right? तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि इस ये जो जिस स्ट्रेंथ से ऊपर जा रहा है, that's not a good strength, right? वो it doesn't have a strength. ये जो fictitious move है, ये जो मूव जिससे ये ऊपर गया है स्टॉक, इसमें कोई स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, कोई पावर नहीं है, इट्स वीक मूवमेंट, राइट? तो जैसे ही ये सपोर्ट जोन ब्रेक होता है, आप इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. और अगर आपको बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स में ढूंढना मुश्किल होगा, what you can simply do is do it in Nifty, right? I find Nifty very easy to trade when I do it with here. So see, just have a look at it. This is yesterday, right? I'm going to remove it. Now see, notice one thing, that the price is moving up, right? See here, price is trying to make newer highs, right? But what is happening to the RSI? Is RSI also making a new high, right? क्या RSI ने भी नया हाई बनाया है? इस जगह पे ये हाई था, इस जगह पे नया हाई बना है. क्या RSI ने भी नया हाई बनाया है? No, right? It's extremely clear, you know, there is no doubt about anything. You just draw a line, you will see that RSI is not making a new high, right? I need to get it here. Here. So see here, now is the picture clear? Let me just remove the drawing that I have made. So RSI at the same place, let me just draw a vertical line for you so that you can understand it more clearly. So see here, this is a place, right? See, vertical line. The price has made a new high. Is the RSI making a new high? No. So whenever the trend line breaks, you can let the trend line break. You can have the support and resistances break, whatever you want. This is a trend line that you have drawn by collecting all the points, right? You've connected all these lower bottoms, or maybe from here you can connect maximum points. Once this is broken, you have a very tiny stop loss and short it. What gives you conviction? You get the conviction by RSI. RSI is a very, very strong indicator. Trust me, right? I use it a lot, you know, when I have to trade in positional stocks, or even this is very nice, you know, like suppose intraday I have to trade and my RSI doesn't suggest me, I will not take an entry. Like LNT, I would have not taken a buy entry, although it may be open equal to low and positive sentiments and everything, but I will not buy it. Let's have a look, right, on a buy side stock. So see here, Now it's a very clear trade, right? See here, this this RSI has made low, right? Has made low out here, and this was the price zone. After this place, price made a new low, but RSI made a high, right? This is your divergence, right? This is actually called convergence. So see here, this and this, right? Price is converging. So that means the sentiments are basically positive. So when next day it opened, this barrier was broken, we traded, we bought a call option, right? We bought a call option. I have posted my screenshots as well, right? These are my screenshots for today. This is what I've made, right? 2,75,000 in all. So what I'm saying is little understanding about the market, थोड़ी सी आपको understanding चाहिए बस. And look at the beautiful trade. मतलब कल जब निफ्टी गिरी थी तो जबरदस्त गिरी थी, और आप देख लो यहाँ से RSI. You have to do it in the live market, right? Live market में थोड़ा निकालना इतना easy नहीं होता है, but yeah, if you try, you can do it. If you try, you will be able to do it. Now see here, आप इस price को देखो. You have a look at this price. इस जगह पे, right? प्राइस सेम लेवल पे है, बट RSI ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गया है. Have you noticed it? But of course, we are now towards the weekend, so I will just a sec. So tomorrow, like now, we'll have to see it on Monday, right? Monday, maybe the scenario may be different. But I'm just telling you, suppose it would have not been a Saturday, or it's not been, had it been, next day would have been working in the stock market, then what you can do is, you can simply trade based on divergence, right? So see here, this is shifting in the upper direction and this is flat, right? This is flat. In case this barrier is broken, you can go for a buy, right? So understanding about the stock market makes you a winner in the stock market, right? Today I tried to explain you the divergence, right? Divergence means कि price तो ऊपर जा रहा है but RSI ऊपर नहीं जा रही है. Very clear example was here, right here, right? This is a place where where the price is heading in the upper direction, but RSI is not heading in the upper direction, right? So see here, RSI is making lower highs, right? At this point, when the price made a high, RSI was just shifting massively. So RSI didn't make a low, right? RSI didn't make a low. RSI didn't make it made a low, right? And hence, once the support or the resistance zone is broken, let's say let's have a look at some other stock, Indigo, right? This is Indigo. It started with a very positive momentum on 21st, right? It got stuck over here, and now you have a look, right? Just mark this place. Of course, stock made a high and reversed, then bounced back, right? So at this point, RSI was almost like 84 and slightly below. Price made high at just slightly below. What was the RSI? RSI was just 67, right? It has fallen massively. So this is again a weakness in the RSI. See here, you can see by yourself, right? See here, RSI is becoming strong. Look at this zone, right? I'll mark it for you. Have a look at this zone. Price is almost range bound, but RSI shifted massively, right? RSI has shifted massively. This is how RSI has shifted, whereas the price is almost horizontal, right? So that means in case morning range breaks out, or I don't know, this time, you can definitely expect, if this range is broken, you can expect a pretty good move up in this particular stock, right? So a lot of things are combined, like see here, this place, you have a beautiful look at this place. This is where the stock got stuck, right? Now have a look at the bottom. This is RSI, ये RSI है. प्राइस सब जगह सेम है, राइट? प्राइस सब जगह सेम है, बट क्या RSI सेम है सब जगह? यहाँ पे देखो, आप यहाँ पे चेक करो और यहाँ पे चेक करो, सब जगह प्राइस सेम है, बट RSI कितनी बुरी तरह से गिरा है, राइट? यहाँ पे आप चेक करो, इस जगह पे RSI कहाँ पे, इट्स जस्ट फॉलन डाउन, राइट? यहाँ पे RSI। तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि स्ट्रेंथ इस स्टॉक में वीक हो रही है। तो आप क्या करोगे? whenever the morning range is broken out, the closest resistance is removed, यहाँ पे कहीं पे, let me just remove all drawings, यहाँ पे आप कहीं पे इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? यहाँ पे कहीं पे इस जगह पे आप इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हो। सिंपल सा रूल है, कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है, बट आई फील कि मुझे आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ सिखाना भी चाहिए साथ साथ, क्योंकि getting all the calls, getting the accuracy, but having no decision power doesn't make you a good trader, right? As long as I'm giving trades, आप लोग बनाते रहोगे पैसे, but फिर आपके emotions काम में आएंगे, फिर आप mechanical trading बंद कर दोगे। तो when I give a stock, I'm absolutely out of emotions. I only look at the data, right? I have no emotional attachment with any of the stock that I give you. So just remember that you have to use one logic, do paper trading, or just trade with one stock. If you have to trade intraday, this particularly this technique, when I'm using a 15 minutes time frame, is actually an intraday technique only, right? So when you will do a hard work, market requires three things. Market requires money, market requires your time that you have spent in the market, and market needs experience, and that time that, and market needs you to be mentored. Why? Because mentoring allows you to reduce your errors by manyfold, right? So reducing your errors is extremely important, right? So this is what I wanted to share. Hope you all are present everywhere, wherever I am. I want you to make money. Have you been on my channel? I'm sure you would have made good money today as well. We gave Britannia for a buy, we gave JK Tire, which went from 131 to 138, right? JK Tire, just have a look how it went. It just went straight up, right? This is how it traded. It traded like this. We entered somewhere here. This is JK Tire. Oh, sorry. It's here, right? We traded somewhere here, 131, 132. It went up to the upper circuit, right? Just have a look at here. JK Tire. The upper circuit was 138 point. Upper circuit in JK Tire. Huh? A new upper circuit they have opened, because in the morning the upper circuit was 138.8, right? Probably they have opened the next for tomorrow 163.3. So this went into upper circuit, this went into upper circuit, which is signed. This is what we have given, and this one, which is Gland, gave a very beautiful move, right? So this is all conclusion of learning. You know, when you learn, you earn by making decisions which are correct, and which gives you right identification of the stock at the right time. So with this, I'm signing off, hoping that you are making good money, and hoping that you will learn, and hoping that you will share my channel with all your friends and family members who are losing money in the market. Because every time your stop loss hits, you lose money, right? Your hard-earned money is eroded. So the first rule that I have in my mind is not let the stop loss hit. So these are for, see here, I'll just quickly wind up by showing you my own screenshots. This you will see my own screenshots. How much money do I make? So bought 1500 quantity. This is what I made yesterday, right? This is what I made yesterday. You know, I made some 1.8, 1.75 lakhs. See here, this is my screenshot. 1,75,000 is what I made, right? Bought put option at 9.7, 9.6, and sold it at 150, right? So that's my screenshot. This is what the money I made. And members make huge amount of money. So when you know, when you just small tricks can make you a lot of difference in your trading style, right? See here, somebody's written, from 3 days I'm strictly following your Telegram channel, haven't done a single loss. That makes me more determined to learn from you. God bless you. So all the best, guys, hoping that you learn something. Do what I have told you on all the stocks. Every stock that you know, just apply this technique and see. And best is do it with Nifty. Back test it, go to the cash and go to the as long uh, as back as you wish to. You will get the entire data. Futures you wouldn't get the data, but here you will get the data and start replaying it, right? What can you do is replay it. When you replay it, you will, I'm sure this is available in the free version as well. So go back as you can and start replaying it, right? And see whether it worked or not, because when you will replay it, you will actually do it in the live market, right? So I'm going to do it for you some more and then I'll close my video. कहीं से भी शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है? So let's say हम यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. So start. Let's see what happens. हमें क्या करना है, RSI पे ध्यान देना है, राइट? RSI में डाइवर्जेंस आनी चाहिए प्राइस के साथ. प्राइस अगर स्टैग्नेंट है या कहीं पे रुका हुआ है तो देखो, वैसे ये जगह पे डाइवर्जेंस थी, प्राइस हाई बना रहा था एंड RSI वाज मेकिंग अ लो. लेट मी जस्ट स्टॉप इट हियर. ये प्राइस में डाइवर्जेंस थी, प्राइस में डाइवर्जेंस थी, प्राइस वाज मेकिंग हाई and here it was, RSI was making a low. See here, price is here and RSI is bigger, higher value. Over here, price is way higher, but RSI is smaller. It simply indicates there is weakness in the market. Let's see if we get some more trade. We got to have it in the live market, right? Live market, this is like a live market only. So this is the low that has been made, but see here, now let me just stop it. Now see, price has made a low at this place, right? But RSI has made a high, right? You see the divergence? Let's see what happens. Wait for the morning range to be broken, right? Now this is a support zone. If you notice, this is a support zone and RSI is made a high. So you will wait for the morning range to be broken. After that only you will trade, right? So wait some time. Let's see what happens. I also don't know because I'm just with you guys trading right now. So now is when your trade is coming up. Let's see how it goes. It hasn't, no candle has left the high, right? RSI has been making a high, price is not making a new high, but RSI is making a new high. So let's wait. This day probably maybe range bound. So next day open, gap up. Simple indication by RSI. Now when the morning range is broken, you can go long right here after this range is broken, because RSI is giving you an indication, clear indication. From here only, if you wanted, you could have bought your call option or something, because next day it was pretty much clear that this is going to be a long trade, right? Now see here, RSI, see this from here on to here was a good trade. Now morning range has not been broken, right? So when the morning range is not broken, we will have to wait. Now probably if the morning range breaks, but now RSI is becoming weak. Do you notice? RSI is becoming weak here. So we have to wait for it to give us a clear, now RSI is becoming strong. It has been, the range has been broken, right? Morning range has to be again broken. This is the next day, right? So somewhere, sorry. Now at this place is where you will buy once, yeah, this is the place where you can buy, because RSI has been trying to uptrend. This place you can buy, but now again there is a weakness, right? So they must be, this must be a close, a very strong resistance zone, right? So your stop loss has still not hit, right? The low of this candle is your stop loss. If it is hit, then you have to exit. No, not hit, right? So you are good to go, good to go. So this much profit is good enough, right? You have to carry forward your position for the next day. So this is how you can trade with RSI. Now RSI is becoming weak. Notice here, it's turning weak, right? Price is making a new high, but RSI is becoming low. So you will not buy even after the morning range breakout. Look at it. This place, the moment it breaks here, you can see the fall that has come. So hope it makes sense. You can do replay the way I'm telling you, and I'm sure you'll be able to find good trades, right? Guys, master this one technique and mint money in your entire life. So with this, I'm signing off, and please write in the comment box, did you find it good enough, worth enough, or do you think my stock selection is good? Whatever you want to share, please do it with me. I feel good when I read your comments, and I will try to, one day I'm going to do a live session where I can answer all your questions. So with this, I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye. See you.